How do you find the QR code for your LinkedIn profile? That's what we are going to learn in this video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from learndigitalwithrahul.com, and in today's video you will learn how to find QR code of your LinkedIn profile. Now without any further delay, let's get started. In order to find and download the QR code of your LinkedIn profile, you have to open the LinkedIn app on your smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iPhone, you can find the LinkedIn app for both platforms and simply find the QR code in the LinkedIn app, because the QR code cannot be found on the web version of LinkedIn in the web browser. So first open the LinkedIn app, and once opened, simply tap on the search field that you see here next to your profile icon and tap on that, and after that you will see the option for entering search query in the search field. But here we are going to tap on this icon for scanning that you see here in the right corner, and once you tap on that, you will see that it will show your QR code for the LinkedIn profile. You can simply share this QR code by tapping on this icon, which is share my code, or you can also tap on this icon that says save to photo, and this will be downloaded and saved to your phone gallery. And after that you will see this success message that it is successfully saved to your photos. So that's how you can find the QR code of your LinkedIn profile, and simply share this QR code with others so that they can simply scan it using their phone and connect with you on LinkedIn. And by the way, if you want to add custom CTA button to your LinkedIn profile, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.